You are welcome to another edition of Smartphone Graphics Design Tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will be teaching you how to create a simple Happy Father's Day design. So let's get started. First of all, you create your layout, your image size. I'm using YouTube thumbnail size 1280 by 720. Now get this off the screen. Now first of all, use the right color you want to. I've created mine before, so this is a gradient. Then I'll create another one just to show you how to do it. Then the second one, the yellow. Input a shape of love. Then you create a texture. You should have downloaded the image you are using for your design. I'm using this one for my design. Can you see? So this texture is not up to standard, so I will enable this part to make it full. Now, the background needs some effects to make some sense. Input your image, import image, that same image, just to create an effect. After balancing it on the screen like this, you take it to the back here. So once you have taken it to the back, you reduce the opacity from 100 down to something like 30, or let's say 25. After that, let's make this love shape blend together with the background. So I'm using inner shadow. Click it, enable it. We are using this color because the background is of this color, this one. Inner shadow settings, you should go to offset Y and create this one from the down part, that is -20. -20 is okay for the offset Y. -20 is okay. So after that, the blur stay radius on that same inner shadow, you should reduce it or increase depending on how the background looks like. So I'm going to reduce the opacity of the picture that I insert to make it blend together. So I'll go to the opacity of that background. Opacity. Let's reduce it more. 15 is okay now. Let's create the text. The first one is happy, then father and day. Now quickly, happy Father's Day. So now let's put font. Let's give it text font. The first one I used the spring in May for that. Fathers, let's use this Panipuri stuff, Panipuri font. And this day, let's give it Panipuri 2. Panipuri day. Now let's adjust the text to make more sense. For this day, I'll give it background brush, a brush color. Can you see this? So this is a PNG format. You can get it online by searching for brush line effect PNG or paint brush effect PNG image. So let me balance it and give it yellow color. So I'll reduce the size, then take it to the back of that day. It seems the size. Bring the day to the front of it, then give it a stroke. Let's use black for this day, then the stroke to be white, the stroke white, and the father should be yellow. I'll give it black stroke. Give it also black stroke, black stroke, right? One is okay. Okay. Now let's align and adjust. Let's align and adjust it. I think this is now meaningful a bit. So this is something close to what we are doing, but I want to adjust this love shape stuff to make it blend well. The lower part is not that black, so I can add more color to that one. That's it.